Hey travelers, we're here today at the Riu Palace Paradise Island Resort in beautiful Nassau, Bahamas. And today we're going to take a look at the buffets at this resort. They have buffet for breakfast, lunch, snack time, and dinner. And I'm also going to include a tour for you of their jerk station, where you can get some delicious jerk chicken or pork. So stay tuned for that. The Riu resorts are renowned for having some of the best buffets at any all-inclusive resort. And this one certainly, it has basically anything you could imagine. So let's go and check it out. So this is the breakfast buffet. Fresh fruit. Peanut butter, Nutella, jams, granola type stuff, fresh fruit, and cereals. It's a great station, but I haven't seen anyone working it this week. And we've got some deli items, salads, green olives, what those are, and then cheesy charcuterie area. More on this side. Do-it-yourself salad. Those condiments back there. Ketchup, mustard. This is the Bahamian corner. Plantains. Yum. Rice. Different kinds of scrambled eggs. And they also do fried eggs here. It's like a little sandwich. Hash browns, sausage, bacon. Over here we have donuts. Always a big hit. French toast, sandwiches. More sweet stuff and pancakes. French toast, obviously, some sweets and cakes. And then this is another egg station, so poached eggs, omelets. Thank you. Some pre-made sandwiches. Spanish omelet. So this is great. If you don't want to wait for a personalized one, you just grab a piece and go. Plus, then you're not getting the whole thing, which is kind of nice if you want a sample. More hash browns, bacon, sausage, corned beef hash. Those baked beans are really good too. And we've got over here oatmeal and oats, bread station, which make your own toast. Bagels. This is really nice bread. It's like a rye with the caraway seeds, just basic light brown. And then we have a juice station over here. Make your own drink. They have tomato juice, but they don't have Caesar or Clamato, so that's an unfortunate thing, but it is what it is. And then fresh fruits. And then on the other side, they do smoothies. And this is the lunch buffet, so it's actually a pretty impressive setup. Start here, we've got beef tenderloins, some onions, tortillas, pork fajitas, fries, grilled sandwiches, hamburgers, hot dogs, the sauteed onions smell delicious. Onions and bacon wrapped hot dogs. Check that out. Little hot dogs, hamburgers with cheese. Pasta station. So tortellini with cream sauce. Grilled chicken. 4 cheese macaroni. Not macaroni pie, but pretty close. Bolognese sauce, Alfredo sauce, and tomato sauce. Some spicy pepper, I think that's with, it's like a pepper sauce, and then Parmesan cheese, and then some bruschettas, cheese, various assortments. And this is, oh, rice with ribs. Those are probably the first thing to go. Various pizzas. And over here we've got soup, cream of corn, bread station, cheese station here. So we've got some crackers, butter, some tuna. This looks like tuna wraps. Interesting. Cheese, meat, sandwiches, fresh fruits. Salad station here. So we've got condiments, sauces as well. Different kinds of salad and fixings you can add on. And we're going to finish with the dessert station, so stay tuned. It looks amazing. So rice, Bahamian beef stew, plantain, curry rice, grilled chicken. This is Creole lamb shoulder. Interesting. Steak with onion and lima bean and rice. Seafood station. We have fillet of fish and breadcrumbs. That looks good. Tuna fillets and grilled fish fillet, and then some vegetables. Fresh fruits, some sushi, more salad options, pudding. Salads look interesting. What is this? Absolutely no idea. It's like there's cheese in the middle. It's like it's a salami with deep fried. Never seen anything like that. Interesting idea. If you've been a guest to my house, stay tuned. That might be coming on soon on the appetizer menu. And here we've got nacho station. More fries. Actually, the fries are really good. You can do sort of like a Mexican poutine. Fries with the cheese sauce and the taco sauce. Yum, yum, yum. Guacamole. Okay, then as promised, the dessert. So we're going to start here. So there's ice cream. I'm gonna guess that's like rum and raisin maybe, or Oreo, and strawberry and chocolate on this side. And some little fun toppings. You can just get a cone if you want. Oh, this is nice sugar cones too. And then check out this spread. Absolutely amazing. Jello, cakes. And so far the desserts have all been amazing, so definitely something to try. And I don't even know what that is, but I'm intrigued by the chocolate factor and the fruit. But these, I think, are the best looking ones. And this is a snack bar, which is sort of a midday snacks. So we've got some burgers, hot dogs, cheese sauce, chili, fries, buns, fried fish, not quite sure what that is, steak, maybe, a couple kinds of rice, vegetables, or meats. I don't know if this is fish or chicken, but it looks tasty. Got some pizzas going on, plantain, and over here we've got some salads. Some fruit and some desserts. Oh, and some little sandwiches. Nice. So this is the buffet, the dinner buffet at the Riu Palace. Okay, so we're going to start off with the dessert. Whoa. Chocolate truffles, apple strudel, red velvet cake, some parfaits, almond eclairs, lemon meringue cake, and strawberry tartlets, some cookies, more of the same. but let's just go back to these. I mean, seriously, why would you go for anything else? We've got some ice cream options going on. We're starting off with dessert, but who cares? Because we're adults, we're allowed. And we've got cheese stations, so we've got some cheddar, some cream cheese, blue cheese. It doesn't say. It could be brie or camembert. I'm gonna guess one of these is Gouda and maybe Edam. Some fruit. Oh, a crepe station. Okay, so fresh made crepes. Oh, with various toppings. Very, very nice. Okay, here we have some grilled items, sushi, good options of sushi, salad. Hop over here. House special station. Okay, so we have some asparagus, some salad, the tuna tartare, crab salad, some fresh fruit, some bread station over this way, soup station, we'll check that out in a second, and more, oh, so we've got some deviled eggs, stewed meatballs, and pumpkin creamy soup. Okay, but some pizza options here, as well as a quiche, bruschetta, some just cheese bread, garlic bread, tomato and basil, pasta station, made to order. Lasagna looks good. Mashed potatoes, beans, couscous, peas look good, fries, fried grouper, grilled squid, shrimp, tuna steak, as well as scrambled eggs with asparagus, basmati, potatoes, and lo mein. This is the Asian station. And then over here, we have vegetarian station. Well, this is some cabbage with butter, shrimp and vegetable rice, corn on the cob, and sauteed potato, grilled. I'm just gonna sip around here. Grill station tonight is roasted pork shoulder, plantains, stewed fish. This is a Bahamian area. Okra and rice, and I'm gonna guess that's beef, fries, and seafood fritters, as well as pork ribs, beef stroganoff, grilled pork loin, chicken breast, and marinated chicken thighs. So I hope you enjoyed that tour of the different buffets and seeing all the delicious items that they offer. And if you did enjoy this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And we'll see you on the next one.